Hey pretties, it's Keisha. So ever since I was able to clear up my skin and share my skincare routine with you guys, skincare has been a pretty big obsession for me. Anything that has to do with clearing up dark spots and getting rid of hyperpigmentation, I'm all about it. So I'll be sharing a series of videos showing all of the skincare masks that are currently in my routine, as well as testing out some new ones, trying some new recipes, and sharing the results with you guys. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today with this turmeric mask, which boasts brightening effects for the skin and fading those dark spots. So I'm going to go ahead and test out this mask for 5 days straight. So if you're interested in seeing how my skin turned out, definitely stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's my skin on day 1. I'm just showing you guys the blemishes that I will be checking to see if there's any improvement on over the next few days. Always making sure to start on clean skin. So let's see if there are any results. I feel like I'm melting, and see if there's any immediate results after day 1 and 4 more days to go. Wow, it's been about 45 minutes. So it's tightened and dried in quite a few places. The jawline and cheeks, still a little damp, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. So let's see the immediate results for day 1. Okay guys, here's my skin immediately after rinsing and just patting dry. I feel like my skin looks just a little brighter and really soft. It feels really supple and nice and soft. Blemishes on this side. A little pimp that popped up this morning is much flatter, although I can still see the blemish. That's definitely a difference from before the mask. This side, maybe just a little bit slightly more faded. What do you guys think? Then the blemishes here on my chin and up here on my cheek. And today's new visitor are going to be my focus for the next 4 days. For now, nothing remarkable on day 1. I would say just a slight difference in an overall brightening effect. So I'm gonna just moisturize my skin and come back and do it all again tomorrow. Hey pretty, so it's day 2. To get started on this turmeric mask, I think I'm gonna try and make a smaller portion today so that it doesn't feel so runny once it's applied and it dries a little bit quicker. I'm gonna start with 1 tablespoon of the yogurt, about the same with the turmeric. Squeeze some of the lemon juice in here. Honey, just definitely a much smaller amount, but I think that's really all you need to cover up your entire face. And today I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use clean fingers, make it a little bit quicker and easier. Okay guys, it's been about 30 minutes since I've had this mask on. It is completely dry. A big difference from yesterday, so I feel like I got the measurements just right. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this off, do my mugshot angles, and see what day 2 skin looks like. Okay guys, so I just rinsed off the turmeric mask and immediately my face feels really dry today and not as soft as it did yesterday. I think it has a lot to do with the grittier, thicker paste that I made today. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize really quickly. Go ahead and do a mugshot action. Front and this side of the face. So again, I'm not really seeing any outstanding results. I actually feel like my blemishes look a little darker today, but I do feel like I got an immediate kind of glow right after this mask. I can tell that my skin is a lot smoother and reflective because of the exfoliation. very smoothed out from the mask today. We will see how these blemishes do over the next 3 days to go. So far, I like how it's gonna change the texture of my skin. It's a lot smoother, firmer. We'll see how the rest of the week looks. Okay, so it's day 3. I have the mask ready to go. Same basic measurements. Hey guys, so the dry is completely masked. The mask is completely dry. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse and I'll show you guys the immediate results. Okay, so today is the first day that I feel like I can actually see the stain on my face. I know on camera it's not really picking up. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a light oil cleansing to get rid of that and then moisturize my face and then come back and show you guys. I'm just gonna use a gentle foaming cleanser. My aloe gel. And let's see if I got off most of that stain. Okay guys, so here's my skin immediately after the day 3 mask. I went ahead and cleansed and moisturized to get rid of that stain and just to make sure my skin didn't get a chance to feel like it was drying out. So let's check out the results. Here's this side. Front. I feel like maybe the blemishes look a little bit faded. I don't know, what do you guys think? If you're seeing any fading? For now, I'm not noticing much as far as blemishes. Just the overall texture of my skin just seems smoother and brighter, firmer, and just a little bit more like an airbrush effect. Okay guys, so I have to say that day 4 was the first time that I really felt that there were some improvements for my skin as far as the blemishes goes. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but there's like a blemish that has just completely fallen off the face of my face. And day by day I just kept seeing a smoothed out texture and even toned skin all over. Blemishes here on my chin and up here on my cheek, and today's new visitor are going to be my focus for the next 4 days. Okay guys, so what did you think? I was actually really surprised to see some really visible results. I think it does check off all the boxes that it claims. It's definitely a brightening mask and kind of lifted that summertime tan, and it definitely faded some of those blemishes in such a short period of time. And if dark spots are an issue for you as well, definitely give this a try, maybe once a week, once a month, and if you do, let me know how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in our very next video. Bye, pretties.